Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out or log out of the Meesho application on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this process will help you out. First of all, launch open the Meesho application on your device and from the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. This will now open up this Accounts tab where you'll need to scroll all the way down and look for the Logout button. Simply tap on Logout, but before that, make sure you know the credential for your account. After tapping on Logout, click on Logout in the pop-up and this will redirect you to the home page of Meesho but logged out of your account. So that's how you easily and successfully sign out of Meesho application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.